Got a new Ring camera? In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Ring camera to your Android phone or iPhone in just a few easy steps.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, download the Ring app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the Ring app and sign into your Ring account. If you're new, tap Create Account and follow the registration steps. Now power on your Ring camera and wait until the LED starts blinking, indicating
Your Ring
it's
camera
ready
is
for
in setup mode.
Inside the Ring app, tap Set up a device and choose Security Camera from the list. Scan the QR code located on your Ring camera or enter the setup code manually if needed. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter your password, and let your Ring camera connect to your home network. Please wait while your Ring camera finishes connecting and installs any available firmware updates. Once setup is complete, you'll see your Ring camera live on your Android phone or iPhone. You can now view live video, receive motion alerts, use two-way talk, and manage all your camera settings directly from the Ring app. That's it! Your Ring camera is now connected and ready to monitor your home from anywhere. Need help setting up a Hikvision, Dahua, Reolink, Lorex, EasyViz, Tapo, Blink, or any other security camera? Leave the model number in the comments and I'll make a complete setup guide for you.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.